I'll be showing you how to draw an angle bisector using a protractor. Key vocabularies are congruent, angles with the same measurement, angle bisector, a ray that divides an angle into two congruent coplanar angles. Angle is formed by two ray segments with the same endpoint. Tools, protractor, and a straight edge. Your first step would be to draw and measure an angle.
How would you draw an angle though? Just draw the angle first. Draw the angle. Draw the angle. So using the straight edge, draw the angle. So you draw this part first, right? Make sure you make it long. We have to really measure it, so make it, don't make sure they make these lines long, because we're going to be measuring it with the protractor.
The measurement of this angle would be 55 degrees.
So your angle may be different, so I wouldn't write down 55 degrees. You actually have to measure each of your angles. So for her example, it's 55 degrees. And remember, the way you measure an angle is you line up the protractor, so the diagonal right there is at the vertex or corner, and then you line up this along one side, then you see where it is pointing to. And you'll get a chance to practice that a couple more times. No, just draw a new one each time and measure it to show them how to measure it again. We have to read that step. Go ahead. So she's repeating step 1 right now in that box, just because she's going to need that. So you may need to make that side longer. Or you can't change your, you can't move the protractor to make it convenient for you. So you may need to make this side longer, so it goes all the way through. Make it longer, but no. So then you can see.
It would be good. I think that's right.
No, it's between.
45.
So like around. So this time we got about like 46. So she's just repeated step 1, and then read what this step is.
Okay. For step 2, you would divide the angle measurement by 2.
So once again, your measurements may be different, so you shouldn't just copy down whatever the angle is that she has. You need to measure your angle and divide it by 2. So everybody's answer here should be different, because I don't think everyone drew a 46-degree angle.
Step 3. Using the protractor, mark an angle measurement, same as found in step 2.
So just like in step 1, she is drawing an angle. And now she's going to measure the angle. And then in step 3, she had to divide that by 2, so she's going to divide 56 by 2. So you're going to do it for whatever angle that you got the second time. And now she's actually going to do step 3.
Step 3. From the vertex, draw a line going through.
Step 3.
I just read that one. I read.
And you read it, but you haven't done it yet.
My bad. Okay.
So once again, step 3 is?
Using the protractor, mark an angle measurement, same as found in step 2.
I'm just going to mark the angle.
Step 4. From the vertex, draw a line going through your measured points.
So once again, she's going to draw her angle. So where 2 segments share an endpoint. She's going to measure her angle. Which was step 1. Step 2 was she divided the angle by 2. For step 3, she's going to mark the angle she found in step 2. And then we do step 4 again.
Step 4. From the vertex, draw a line going through your measured points.
A little symbol for congruent. So we do a little arc on each angle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll put it on like one here and one right there. So that angle is congruent to that angle. And the segment in between would be the angle bisector.